Good morning, children. Welcome back to ICAN Physics Academy. Now, in this class, we are going to see fifth lesson, fifth problem, and sixth problem. Let's enjoy the class. The fifth one, a closely bound solenoid. Okay. So, already we put one theory question in state board physics. If you have any doubt, you can refer the question in state board. Okay. So, let us consider a solenoid. Okay. Now, the current is flowing through it. Okay. So, it produces the magnetic field along the axis. Next, the magnetic field outside the solenoid is 0. Okay. Has 800 turns. Okay. N equal to 800 turns. And the area of cross section of the coil is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4. So many meters squared. Carries a current of 3 ampere. So I equal to 3 ampere. Explain the sense in which the solenoid acts like a bar magnet. What is its associated magnetic moment? Okay. So what is the formula to calculate the magnetic moment? That is NIA. So what is N? Number of turns. So 800 into 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 into 3. Okay, va? So 800 into 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 into 3. So when we multiply and divide, then finally we can get 0.6 joule per Tesla. And this magnetic moment or magnetic field is acting along the axis of the solenoid. Okay. Now we can go to the second question. If the solenoid in question number 5, the same question, free to turn about its vertical direction and the magnetic field, the uniform magnetic field of 0.25 Tesla is applied. What is the magnitude of the torque? Okay. So we are going to calculate the torque of the solenoid when its axis makes an angle of 30 degree. Okay. So theta equal to 30 degree. Okay. So what you have to calculate? Torque. So what is the formula to calculate the torque? That is MB sin theta. Okay. M. So I'll calculate pandrake. What is the question number 5? In question number 5, what is the value of M? Is 0.6. So 0.6 into B is 0.25 into sin theta. So what is the value of theta? Is 30 degree. Okay. So 0.6 into 0.25 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 1, 2 is 2. 0.32 are 6. So 0.3 into 25. So 325 are 75. 1, 2, 3 digit. So 1, 2, 3 digit. So this much of torque. So what is the unit? Newton meter. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? No doubts.